I'm a paramour. I'm a paramour. You drop a bomb. To sell out to my very just some minutes. I need Methuselah here. I need Methuselah to prove to him that I studied. I want my life Methuselah. I studied. I bring her into work. When I say something, I want you to believe what I'm talking about. And you show your own, I show my own. Every evidence is here. After you want to say, you should not put that up and down. So don't put that up and down. You show your own, I show my own. Every evidence is here. After you want to say, you should not put that up and down. So don't put that up and down. But you said like Thomas, Cambridge University, Cambridge. Commander. The camera is sinking. The man is exactly. With evidence. Okay, one day, only on that get a lot of make and the idea when I'm not all on neck actually see. Talking on how we can support full time to make sure we make this case, to back it up with also German case here. We will back it up. Yeah, Abraham, the Kano, Ababu, how would you court? He paid. But take it.
Hey, God.
How we can support full time to make sure we make this case, to back it up with also German case here. We will back it up. Yeah, Abraham, the Kano, Ababu, how would you court? He paid. But take it.
All right, welcome back to my channel. I decided to start this program with video of this very man, because what we're about to discuss now has something to do with what he just said. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel in case if you're new, and put your comment. Let me know what you think about everything that we are going to discuss here. So there's a video of Uchechi and ex-DUS, Kuje DUS. And that video, they just released the video. So we are going to go through that video. But there's something they said there. These guys claim that they're going to work for they're going to work to free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is the reason why I played this video of that franchise. Okay, for you to see what some of them are saying on social media, what they're actually doing on social media. Then in their meeting, they'll be promising Uchechi that they're going to work for to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Which, you know, why I say Uchechi, because that's what Uchechi wants us to believe, that she's working for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But we know that Uchechi, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, is doing what he's doing today because of Uchechi. The partnership they have is second to none. So I don't want to waste much time. Like I said, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. So going by what we have here, and the post was made by Emeka Gift. So here he said, IPOB vows not to abandon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, emphasizes institutionalizing Biafran struggle. Mazi Austin Agbaim, IPOB European representative and members of the Directorate of the State DOS has assured members that the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB remains committed to the release to the release of his leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and will not abandon him in the hands of the enemies. These guys can, I have seen people that are lying and criminals, but these guys are in a different level. Their members are busy calling for head of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You just heard what that franchise is saying there, how they're going to they are going to work together with Uchechi. As of yesterday, Mega Gift made a post saying that the Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Ozokome have that there's a kind of word on the street, people like a rumor that they are going to volunteer to work on pro bono to defend Uchechi. It's not guaranteed. What I'm saying now is not verified information. That is what Emeka Gift posted yesterday. He did not say categorically clear that they are going to work on pro bono. He said that there's a word on the street, rumor, discussing this. That attended so if I Ejiofor, voluntarily working for Uchechi, if I Ejiofor and Ozokame. So it's not balanced then anyway. And listen to some of them. Okita some. So many of them. KK Oda. Madabuchi, Dinta. When you listen to them, you can see that these guys are they have devoted their time to work against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They can form alliance with anybody. They are not hiding it. But they are here making this kind of speech. I don't know who they want to deceive with it. And we know the truth. Okay, we know that they are not from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He said, speaking to delegates from over 45 IPOB member zones at the just concluded IPOB UK 2026 annual general meeting, AGM, and the city evangelism in the West Brom, Birmingham. Abayim stressed the need for the movement to rise above emotions and personal loyalty when decision conflict with core roadmap. Okay. When they even stop. Okay. When we saw that some of the messages coming from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through his lawyers were against the IPOB roadmap, we said no. He stated, we must remove emotions. We must not go wrong. We must not go wrong because our leader is going wrong. Okay, we must not go because he's going. Okay. Abayemu reiterated IPOB determination to institutionalize the Biafran struggle so that it cannot be held hostage whenever any individual leader is incapacitated or unreachable. The event combined organizational review with grassroots outreach activities across Birmingham as part of IPOB UK's 2026 activities. Family Writer Press International. Okay, this is John. Now watch the video, please. Very, very important.
We said no, because we are not all those. We are, most of us in the US are more than 50 years old. Some are even.
Only if I turn do to guy for first no done around the na bankata. That's why when you talk about name, and this guy, what is his name? The one in the island. Having time together, eating food, enjoying themselves, that is what they want. You see this gathering, they don't joke with it. So Telling them to move from this pattern to another pattern just for Biafra to come is a taboo. They don't like it at all. And that's a problem. Because to them, you must follow them. Coming together, have this buffet, eat food, sleep around, gyrate around, gyrate around and all that. Having fun around. That's all. That's what they want. They don't mean anything good. Look at Uchechi here. You see Uchechi here. That's what we're talking about. Look at her. As a Mazi on a high table. You can see it now. So this is the thing that we're talking about. And anybody that wants to counter that or try to bring different thing, they will do everything to stop that person. So you see, that's why we say they don't deal with the protests. Okay, mmadụ ndị okenye mmadụ ike bụkwa
when something goes wrong, we need to pause and then make research, make analysis. Why is it going this direction? Is it against us?
Is it all over?
Go wrong because the person that is leading us is going wrong. Then we say, okay, he knows the way, let us follow him whether it's wrong or right. Like somebody already said, President African, if he comes out tomorrow, he will tell you that everything that's been happening, that he knew that US will not succumb because they have the roadmap. So it will be foolish of us.
That roadmap is not known to anybody.
This information came from you, that's why we carried it out. He will ask us, was I not in prison? Do you think everything I'm telling you is from my own heart? Don't you know that I was under duress? Don't you have the roadmap? So what I'm telling you in essence is that the DOS will never abandon Mass Africa.
Now, this very man that is saying this, you don't see his face. You can see the camera is moving. Wait, the camera is moving from place to place. I don't know if you notice that. The camera is moving everywhere. But nobody, you don't see his face.
That's why we carried it out. He will ask us, was I not in prison? Do you think everything I'm telling you is from my own heart? Don't you know? Before we execute anything.
Oh my goodness.
He will ask us, was I not in prison? Do you think everything I'm telling you is from my own heart? Don't you know that I was under duress?
The camera is moving everywhere, but you can't see the person talking.
So what I'm saying in essence is that the GOS will never abandon Mass Africa.
Okay, yeah, this guy, Azayoba. Yeah, now I remember his name. Azayoba.
We will make sure that Biafra is restored. And the earlier we restore Biafra, the sooner Mass Africa is out. So it will be very good for us to run around and support this leadership and the institutionalization of IPOB, which is ongoing. This is the only way we can get Biafra restored, because fronting one man in front, whenever that person got into trouble, it will derail the whole thing we have achieved. But when we have this institutionalization,
they're going to buy our language.
this is a repentance, because nobody will be a superstar that everybody wants to be.
Wow.
That's not what we want. It is freedom fighting. Nobody wants to be the star. the same way Ojukwu was respected and honored. But at the same time, the goal is the restoration of Biafra, which we should not lose sight of. That is our ultimate destination, and that is where we are going. So I want to thank again as if you continue doing the good work with the student home. Biafra will be free.
All right, so that is it. AI Biafra wanted to guy me them. Oye you kwen yang ay budo ya be back ko no we size ike. Oye ge yen ke di fi ge me ge ye gia fa mai. Kama no zin iba ko li rice ta pepper soup. You know, okay man, demand, look at the man that is singing. Gana ma bu jidogoro ofu ya n'aka. Ndị a bụ ndị na-eme look at him. Ọ magburu ofu otu na tebụl. No. Oh, Diego. Oh, Diego. I just want to show you when he grabbed his. Now he's with the mic. Now watch how he will pick his small stuff on the table. Look at it. Yeah, Tago. This kind of attire and attitude is what they want. They don't joke with it. Let me know what you think about all this discussed so far, and put your comment. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Day one. They want to release Mazi number to Ghana by insulting him and introducing Chimeze and Dotifa. I said, "Room, man, on Georgia."